with my good mate Chris, and while I've been away, particularly on my last trip out at the Victorian High Country, I've just found a little painful little things that I want to fix. I've dodgily fixed one of them, but the other one, Chris is going to do a professional job here. So I've got a compressor behind my seat. Problem is that when I want to use it, I've got to pull the seats down, reach my hand in, and press the button on the compressor. So I found that to be a little bit painful, especially when you've packed your car up and you've got everything loaded on that back seat, your swag and all the rest of it. So it's one of those jobs that just hasn't been done, that needed to be done. So I've contacted me mate Chris, brought him over a coffee. He's going to have a go. Well, not have a go, he's going to do it. I go, mate, switch wherever it is easy for you, mate. He goes, no, we can do it. We can put it wherever you want. You're a good fella, Chris. Thanks, mate. So where are you going to put it on that?
I'm going to put it on the panel here.
Yeah.
But I haven't told you how much I'm charging you yet.
Yeah, well.
So don't get too excited.
Yeah, well. When's the timer started?
When you pulled up here.
When you were still mowing the lawn, mate. Well, let's see what's going on in there, Chris. So you got it all sorted. So that's the dodgy panel anyway. All needs a bit of a revamp at some point in time, doesn't it? But it does the job though, mate. All good.
All good.
Look at that.
No silicone in my hole, Michael. Just saying.
You saying something there. Chris, so what's the plan, mate? What actually are you going to be doing?
So I'm just going to disconnect the switch that's actually in the compressor.
Yep.
And just put an external switch in there.
So you're going to join into that switch?
Just going to join into that switch.
Cable,
so just got to find out how to run this through here now. Where's your wire normally go, Michael?
Right, just got to make it up as you go, right?
Just going to make it up, mate.
Well, I can undo that 4 screws, mate.
Yep. You do that.
So here's a compressor. It's a King's Thumper. It's working really well, actually. So there's the switch. So Chris has to get into that and then run this lead through here somewhere. So he's doing it professionally, not like me, eh?
Oh, I'm not saying anything, Michael.
No.
Oh, it's not a 13, it's a 14.
I'm not going to show him my isolator switch that I ran for something else in the car. Well, you're really going for it, mate. Pull my seatbelt off as well.
Yep.
Yeah, Chris, you've done all this before, mate.
Too many times, Michael. I know we don't do this at all anymore now.
I suppose you know what you're doing. You only do it for your good mates.
That's it.
Tell me, you used to work for a place that used to do this all the time, didn't you?
Yes, I did.
A sound place or something?
Brisbane Car Sound, I worked for a little while.
There you go. He's the man for the job. Now we're getting serious, mate. Where'd you go?
That hole's too small, Michael.
No. For your tongue. I hope he knows where all these wires go back, because I've got no idea. Oh, look, one day I'll have to revamp it. I want to put something, I don't know where to put it, but somewhere, like a, like an iTech World switch, a switch cabinet kind of thing. But it works and it's simple and I'm happy with it. Yeah, I can see it there, done with it. Yeah, that's it.
How far is it? Can you reach it?
Hold on. Take my hat off and there we go.
Bloody beautiful.
Is that what you want, mate?
Perfect. Make a labour out of you before.
Oh, mate. I pretend I know what I'm doing, but I don't. It's the hardest part, isn't it? Like you said.
Hardest part.
Put the wire through. Yep, I'll make sure he goes through. I'm trying to.
Right, that's right.
Yep.
Thank you.
Look at that. Right, eh? Yeah. I'm not sure where that's going to go, but I'm sure Chris has got a plan.
I've got a plan. I've got a plan of attack. Go back in.
Oh, look, put that little thing back in.
Yeah.
It's my little contribution, mate.
Yep, you can bolt that back in, Michael.
Sure. Okay, mate. Sounds good.
Back's done, Michael.
All done, mate.
Done. Just got to do the front.
What are the torque settings on these nuts, mate? Any idea?
Yeah, I can't tell you that. That's top secret.
Anyway, he's given me the job. Put the handle back. So I think that's all right. And the seat belt's on. And then the last job's just to connect the wire into that switch. So hopefully we can get the top off it.
Haven't you done that yet?
No, mate, you gave me some other jobs to do.
One job.
You gave me some other jobs to do.
You haven't even put this back in, Michael. What's going on?
I didn't want to get in your way, mate. You were coming in hot, so I went, better get out of his way. He's on a mission here. I wanted the seal to be done right, so that's why I left that one for you.
That's done.
Awesome. So Chris, you've opened her up.
I've opened her up. I've disconnected the switch here.
Yep. Put a new switch in.
I'll put a new switch in.
Now I'm sure other people would know this, but if you plugged into the main lead, that's when you need a relay.
That's correct, yeah. Yep.
Yeah.
So that's a solid state circuit, so it's got a solid state relay built into it.
Yep.
So if you just go straight back to the battery and utilise the actual factory relay that's in there. Put some heat shrink on where we solder, Michael. Make it look half professional.
How many rums does this work?
Oh, I don't know yet, haven't worked it out.
Unlimited. Then you got to put up with being the star mate on here. That's an extra cost. I'd offer you a beer right now, mate, but the job that you're in means that you
Can't drink at the moment.
You might have a call. So
Yeah. So what I'm doing now, Michael, I'm just getting this circuit board back into the groove it's supposed to go in.
is that easy or hard?
No. It's a pain on the backside.
Yeah, with the camera in. Footage I'm getting, mate. It's just like this, if you had the camera on your head.
Sorry? You want to put the camera on my head?
No, it's just like it. Almost job done, mate.
Job's almost done. Switch back to upside down.
Oh, did you? It doesn't matter. Doesn't matter, does it?
Yep, she's all working.
Yeah, come on, demo, mate.
It's working.
Oh, beautiful. Oh, you put the other one upside down.
No, that's the way it's supposed to be.
Oh, that was my mistake.
Yeah. Yeah, it's not like a normal house switch. I might be able to pull that out, yeah, I don't know. Doesn't matter.
It's good enough, mate. I know, but you've done all the work, mate. Look at that. How good's that? Well, this is my mate Chris. You would have seen him on a couple of videos. We went to Stradbroke together, and he's just going to test it.
And it works.
Oh, mate, you're incredible. Thank you so much for that. That's
Not
what
a problem.
good mates are for.
You think Prado 150 would have been continue mowing my lawn while he was fitting his compressor?
Yeah, well, I just wanted to help, mate. Help will be a hindrance. No, thank you, mate. Awesome job. Perfect. That is brilliant. All good. You do it with Chris, you do it right first time.